For farmed salmon, the chain begins in freshwater, eggs to fry.
When they're strong enough, smolts move toward the sea.
In ocean pens, growth is measured feed, water quality, health checks. Wild salmon comes from cold migrations, seasonal, fast, unforgiving. Harvest is designed to be quick because temperature is the enemy.
On boats, ice slurry pulls heat out fast to lock in texture. Then it's sealed into insulated shipping, cold, dark, controlled.
Every kilometer is a test. Hold temperature or lose value.
Global demand means global movement, ports, hubs, tight schedules. Now the clock speeds up. Processing starts the moment the doors close.
Here, everything is steel, water, and rules. First decision, accept or reject. One warm reading can spoil a batch.
Sanitation isn't a cleanup step. It runs alongside production. A clean surface reduces contamination before the first cut.
Size and condition decide the route, fillets, portions, or smoke. One cut sets the geometry for everything that follows. Gutting must be complete. Any residue becomes bacteria fuel. Rinsing isn't washing flavor away, it's removing risk. Trimming is where premium starts to look intentional. The fillet machine follows the skeleton. Millimeters matter. In seconds, a whole fish becomes two valuable surfaces. Bones are found by feel, because the mouth will find them too.
This is slow work, repeated thousands of times a day.
Uniform color isn't paint, it's selective trimming. Silver finish is kept intact for skin-on buyers.
For skinless packs, the goal is clean separation, no meat left behind.
Portioning turns biology into standardized commerce. Anything off-spec is rerouted, consistency is enforced automatically. One fish, two destinies, fresh packs and smoked luxury. A light rinse removes fragments. Too much water would harm texture.
Even seconds of draining change how the pack will look. Handling rules are simple. Protect the surface, and customers will judge.
Remove oxygen. Lock the shape. Extend the window of freshness.
A perfect seal is invisible until it fails.
Final safety gates catch what hands and eyes can't.
Curing starts with salt drawing moisture, tightening texture, shaping flavor. Time does work machines can't: diffusion, firmness, balance. After curing, excess salt is removed. What stays is what penetrated. A thin pellicle forms so smoke can cling evenly.
Cold smoke is flavor without cooking precision in airflow and time.
Surface deepens. This is where aroma gets built.
After smoking, cooling is immediate. Stop the process at the exact point.
Slicing reveals the smoke line. Too thick feels heavy. Too thin tears. Smoked salmon sells on appearance. Flat pack, clean edges, no trapped air. From here, it's about protection, shock, light, and temperature.
Packing patterns prevent crushed corners and broken seals.
Cold storage is a pause button holding value until shipment.
The factory doesn't end the journey. It hands it back to the cold chain. Proof is simple. Color, smell, firmness, freshness that holds. Different cuts, different processes, one demand. Stay cold, stay clean, stay exact.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using Veo 3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.